Hi, this is Kim, and I am doing this video for the group because I offered when we talked about technology or social media, how Canva can be a great way to create visual posts. And a lot of people in the group took Alina Vincent up on her 5-day free challenge on how to create more visibility in Facebook. And there were some questions about how do you create your own engaging posts. So this is just a quick to basic, let me just stress, very basic tutorial. I do not consider myself an expert in Canva, but after taking Alina's, not only her free challenge, but her program, I've gotten much more proficient and I have seen good engagement with my posts. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it now too. So you can either hit create a design, or you can go here. You can see there's lots of options. You can do a Canva print, a Facebook post, social media. Maybe you're doing a presentation. You can pretty much do anything with print in Canva. Email header, which I have used. So you can see all the different things. So we're going to stick to Facebook and we're going to create a Facebook post. So let me just get that. So everything starts with a clean canvas, and depending on the canvas you choose, it's going to have its size geared for whatever you want to use it for. So it's for a flyer, a post. We're going to be doing a post. You can do, let me just show you over here, you have options. You can upload your own photos. Well, here you can upload anything you want. So if you have your own graphics, your own text, you can do that. You can also do pick your background. So you can create, if you want to custom make your own posts, I've done that sometimes, but I like using existing posts because I'm not a graphic artist. But you can see there's lots of choices here. You can just click, right? And then you just make it like that. And you can make your own posts. These are great for quotes or, different things that you want to say. Very simple. And that's your background. And it's basically very much point and click. So there are some really, and most of these are free. And if they're not, they will tell you it's like $1 here, $1 there. But you can make easily your own post if you want to create something that you want to say. So it's very, very simple. So this is your background. So let me just keep that for a second. And then you can take a text, and they have, if you want to use already things like that, season's greetings, you can see here, you can take these, say that I wanted to do that. Let me just, right, there we go. So, Kim and Angelus, you can actually change this by like saying go and Kim. Actually, hold on a minute. So let's see here if I can do that. So anyway, so you can do that, or what I usually do, and you can just take it away, right? You can just take it away if you don't like it. I like to add a heading, put my own there, and you can do this, make it a little bigger. And if you make it bigger, you can see the font is changing. So you can do that with here, or you can actually drop down and put it whatever font you want. And I would say, let's do this. And I would type, are you playing small due to your wall? That's something I've done in a presentation. But let's just see here. You can click on it, and then see, once you do that, you can move it so you can center it. Okay. And then once you're here, right, you just hit Control A, and you can make it any color you want. If you have a custom color, you just hit it here, and you can put in your number, which I have my custom colors. I put it there. Or you can go and use the palette that they have. So you can do blue, or you can do green, or you can pretty much do any color you want. Like I said, you can do your own custom colors. Gray, there you go. So that's how easy it is. Then you also have elements, so you can do, let's take all this away. Hold on. You can put something here that says happy birthday. You can move that off, and you can pretty much do whatever you want. There's all these elements here. You can start with a square. You can put this, let's see. You can maybe you want to do something like that. You can do that. and then put a text, right? You can pick a text and then you can layer it. So, hold on. There we go. So you can text. And then you can maybe do a subheading, right? You can move that. And then, and I'll show you what I do. But so you can see how easy it is. It's just, then you can just go in here, right? Control Alt and change the text. And then what you do is you can go down here and you can download it, right? If you like it, you can save it as a PNG, which I recommend, a JPEG, standard print, whatever you want. But I usually do PNG, and then you can just click on it and then you can download it. And then, right, no, don't want to do that. And then here it pops up. Hold on, it takes a minute. All right, and then over here in the corner, you can save as, and then you put it in your computer wherever you want. So if I were keeping this, which I'm not, I would go up to my place where I want to keep it, which would be my media center. And then I have a place called social media, the social media folder. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. So that's just to show you how easily it is to save. Now, you can go to the templates, and that's what I like to do. So let me just clear this out for you. I like working with, unless I'm going to be doing something very simple or I'm looking for a specific graphic for something I'm doing. If it's just to do something engaging, I will put here, like I might want to do quotes. Sorry, quotes. And I'll see what I have. So let's say that I like this one, like Happy Independence Day, or I just like the background. I might do that, right? It's 4th of July, home of the brave. And if I'm doing something like this, I would just add a text. So add a little body of text, bring it down. Whatever you do, you should label your post so people know whose post it is. So I would do Success Genie LLC. Or if it's from your group or something, whatever you're promoting. So, and I would do this in white. So that would be my little thing. But let me go back to quotes because I've done this to create engaging quotes. So let's see. Life begins with coffee. I love coffee. So if you were a coffee, you could do something like that. I look for things that are relevant to me. So like, don't let fatigue make a coward out of you, right? I would, if I like that quote, I would do it and I would put here, text, my little text. All right, I got a subheading, don't want that one, hold on. That wasn't, and if it's easy if you make a mistake, you just, there we go. You just wipe it away. I'd add a little body of text. If I was keeping it, I'd put here, you know, Success Genie LLC. But let's go back a template. Let me see one I've used. Let's see. Let's do this one. So this would be everyone wants to live on top of the mountain, but all that happiness and growth occurs while you're climbing it. That's something that would be like, I would like, it's in alignment with what I teach. Success is your birthright, mindset is everything. And I would just change this to Success Genie LLC, but I would give Andy Rooney credit for it. So, and if you want to change, like this is not my color, you can change this by just clicking on this. You can click the color. You can see I could change it to gray. I can change it to purple. I can do almost anything I want with it. So you have, even with the fixed posts, let me just put that back. Even with the fixed post, you can have instant creativity. So let me just start one more time. So let's do quotes, inspirational quotes. All right, so here we go. You can do it, friend. They have all different industries in here, so you can look. And if you like something but you want to change the caption, you can. So let me just see if there's something here I see. I look for, when I make templates of my weeks, like each day you have a topic, I will take one of these and then just change the text and change the color to make it my new template. And I will show you. And you've seen some in my group, so you know what that is. So like, this is an interesting thing, right? You might have a quote, or this is a really great quote. Albert Einstein, creativity is intelligence having fun. Albert Einstein. I would keep that the way it is. I might change the color. You know, maybe I don't like blue. I want purple, or my color is yellow. And then I would just put in the corner my moniker, Success Genie LLC, or you can put your business name. So let me just see. So this is just, I was terrified when I started working with Canva. I did not know what I was doing. My friends are like, you can do it. I have no graphic artist talent. So that's why I'm sharing with you. You can just take somebody else's brilliance and doctor it to make it look like yours. Business quotes. Let's see. So let me just see a couple more things, and you can let me know how I like this. How you like this, if this was helpful for you. I want you to start engaging on Facebook or Instagram. This is great for Instagram. You can just change it, the spec, so Instagram will recognize it. And let's just see, you're doing a widget promo, or you're doing evaluating something. Let's see. Your haircut's on. So if you're hairstylist, you can do something like that. So there's lots of pictures and photos that you can use. These are actual real photos that you can look, like summer, if you need summer. If summer's your thing, you can kind of see what they have. And this is what's trending. You can see these things. And like I said, you can put, you know, and you can bring this down. And you can put a text that's something that says like working together. You can add a heading. All right, so too many. You know, you can say working with a friend is fun. And then you can do here. Right? And then you can save it. And then I would put my little moniker down here. So let me just show you some of the things that I've created. And Canva's nice, even in the free, it'll give you your designs, right? So it just captured the 3 that I did here, whether I save them or not. And these are just some of the ones that I've created. So this was a question that I created. It was very simple. I just did a blue background and kept the text really simple, asking a question. These are like informational, educational, 3 steps to success. The way I teach it, it's health, self, and wealth. For my groups, right? This is for Have Fun, Get It Done Bootcamp Week 6. I just created, this as a background. I put a little element there, and then I put the text right in the square, which is now a diamond. And that was my look for my group. This is my Networking Tuesday. So this is my template for Tuesday. So when you see this, you kind of know what day it is. It's Tuesday in our group, and this template was the week to ask. These are quotes that I actually found, and they weren't in my colors, so I just clicked on them. Let me see if I can do this for you. Make a copy. Oh, so anyway, I just went into them and I just clicked the colors like I showed you, and I created my color so it matched my personal business colors. These are quotes that I really liked, and as you see here, I put my moniker on the bottom so you know it's a Success Genie thing, but it's giving credit to the person who created the quote. This was, what are you celebrating this week? This had completely different colors. I think this was blue and yellow, and I just wrote what I wanted to and used my business colors. And that's the fun thing about this. Was one that I used. If you were an ice cream flavor, what flavor would you be? It was just something fun. This is Wisdom Wednesday, share your light bulb moment. These had very different colors and I changed them. And and this was mine, Show Up to Success. And I just took a background, added some texture to it. So you can see now, example, this one is an actual graphic that was made for me a long time ago, and I just added a text and my moniker and left it on a white background, and boom, it's done. So you can bring in your own graphics if you want. This was an original one that I created. I changed the font because you can have different fonts in there. You just drop down the menu. And this is one of my Jeannie's gems, one of my original quotes. So Canva is very easy. And like you said, when you're done, when you actually like what you want, let's just see here. Let's see, they must have an Instagram because a lot of you guys use Instagram. Here, Instagram post, right? Hold on. Instagram post, it's size for Instagram. Right? And they give you samples of things that are already there. You can, let me see, one trip beach town. Don't be afraid to jump in. Let's see if there's something here. Let's see, winter. Okay, this is like, we are all like snowflakes, all different in our beautiful own way. You can leave that, or you can put your own, give information, you can give credit and then put your own little moniker there. And again, you just download it, choose the PNG or whatever you want, download it, and you do a save as. So this can be, and let me just show you here. This right here, I can change it. Say that I don't like the navy blue, I want to make it purple. I can do that. I can change it. So you can do whatever you want. You can add texture, I think, if you want. You can do a background, say that you don't like that. Let's see. Say that I want to use this. I don't know how that works. Let's see. Make this white. And then let's... That's not working. I don't know what, but let's just say we want to do that. We want to put it back. Or you can do undo, so that you're like, you didn't like what you did, right? I want to go back. I made a mistake. You can just use the undo and you can do all that. So, and then here is you can see this. Maybe I like the background, but I don't like that. I can add my own heading and I can make it as big or as small as I want. So have fun with this. I was terrified, like I told you, I was afraid of making a mistake. There is no mistake. If you don't like it, you can undo it or just not save it. And like, let me just put a couple that you can see. And if you have a talent for creating shapes and things like that, go for it, right? You can do something like that, move the heading. Maybe you're a financial planner and you want to show like the graph, a pyramid of savings or how people manage money. You can do that, right? You can do whatever you need to. They have lines, see, they have different, everything. So have fun with this, be creative. And if you're not, and you can just see here, I can change, if I want to change the, maybe I want to change there you go, see? So you can even change the font. Very simple to do. You can't go wrong. All right. So let me know how this worked for you. I'm happy to do these. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. So I wanted to show you so you don't have to be afraid or come up with an excuse why you can't engage on social media the way you want to. If you took Alina's 5-day challenge, she's like, always be engaging, ask a question, share facts, share statistics, share little tidbits in your industry or whatever you want to be known for so you can be seen as the expert that you are. So let me just go back here. I'm going to go home. Everything's done for you. You pick wherever you want to post, and they keep all of your designs for you here. So if you forgot them or you didn't save them, you can always come back and have fun with this. And I encourage you to engage in our group and share posts there and practice and let us see what you're doing. And of course, on Shameless Promotion Mondays, if you want to invite us to your page and let us see your post, that would be great too. I will thank you for watching this and let me know how you liked it.